Hi guys, it's Barry the Whale Plays here. Today we're going to be doing some Minerware on QCraft. So, I don't know where I am. Great.
But guys, I'm also here. HFRonaldo Plays. We'll be taking in turns.
In Minerware.
Oh, there's a present. Haha. Just walk into it, see? Wait, so
I'll help you.
I'll help you.
No.
Okay.
Gangster. Okay, so I need to find where the main hub is. There. Okay. I don't get why the hub is so gigantic. Look.
Yeah, like that.
Massive. Okay, so mine was over here.
You.
Okay, so I've had about 3 goes on Minerware. I'm not the best, especially on that one where it goes straight to sneak. That's
I'm good at that, guys.
yeah. He is. It's just
Well, I failed when I recorded it.
yeah.
And guys, if you want to go see me fail, which I don't think you want to, but anyway, if you do. And see me not fail in some other videos.
Somebody's asking you to watch them fail.
Yeah. But if you don't want to see me fail, then just go watch the other videos that I've made at HFRonaldo Plays.
Okay, so
What? That's a new one. No.
I've played it before. What? This is what I do. I swear.
Yeah, and then you just wait.
Oh, there's gardens.
When there's 3 seconds left, then you got them.
Yeah.
Now, platform, now. You.
No.
What did it?
No.
Fail.
No.
You took the
I hate this cactus lap. No, I hate this. No,
I've won that.
I seen you win that.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so annoying. Wait, what is this guy's name? Wait.
A tired poem.
Retired. That's the. He must have randomly generated that.
Yeah, oh wow, someone's
Or drop to the ground. Oh, I know this one. Oh no.
I'm quite good at this one.
I know. I've seen you.
I usually make it.
Yay!
But yeah.
I was kind of first. I was like 7th. Yay!
That's your
We did it!
What? Oh, you're lucky. The game.
Yeah, I'm lucky because I'm a pro. Or it's just that, you know. No, that's annoying.
Guys, watch how good I am. But don't skip this part. Just guys, vote. Remember to vote in the comments.
Yeah, vote in the comments what we should do in the next video.
And also,
because we can, if you're watching this right after we've uploaded this, we might be able to do another video. I was only planning to do 1 video today, but we ended up doing 2, and whatever wins in the comments, it will be 3. So, no, I hate PvP.
and guys, whatever wins in the comments, I will also do with them.
Yes.
And guys, also when you
Be tuned for the next 3 days, because there will be lots of stuff going on in the next 3 days.
And guys, also comment in the comments below.
Yeah, don't comment in the like section.
Who's better? Me, HFRonaldo.
These guys, those guys were teamers. Those guys were teamers. Oh, I'm good at this one.
Yeah. Also, comment down below who's better. Me, HFRonaldo Plays, or Yo Barry the World. Okay.
I think
while you're down there, you may as well just save your time and already hit the like button
And subscribe. Yeah. And turn on notifications so you don't miss a video.
And do the exact same to my channel.
Yay! We did a success.
Retired poem machine 22. Might be the last one standing. It's gonna fail.
I'm rubbish at PvP. You don't need to emphasize that.
Right guys, but if you want to see me absolutely wreck around the world, go check out the other video we've literally just recorded. It's quite embarrassing for him, actually.
Yeah, I'm probably better at building than you. And redstone.
Oh.
Yes.
Explosive catch. This one's just dumb. Along with the what? You literally, yeah. Or you have to hide. But then guys. guys. I think the dumbest one is literally where you have to avoid the explosions, no matter where you are.
And the falling anvil one. That's
Yeah.
actually pretty...
You can't really do anything. You should blow yourself up.
Make
You
sure it
won
didn't blow up
round.
in time.
You're second.
Am I?
Yeah.
Wow, I've never been that good. This is my tactic.
Get him.
What?
Have you just killed the retired poem?
Oh no!
Three to
No, I
three.
got him. Just check how much time there is left.
I wish I got 10. Just
Yeah,
keep
okay,
it.
so HFRonaldo might be able to have a go after this.
I will.
Yeah, that guy's a hacker. There's
That's just. You don't know actually how to do that one, do you?
what's that guy doing? Did you see that guy?
Yeah.
He's just like,
You catch butterflies, I hate.
I'm really bad at this one.
I mean, you,
How'd you catch them anyway?
you just jump at them. Oh shit. Oh wow. I find this quite hard.
Yeah, same. Because I'm not very good.
Oh wow, you caught 3 at one time. You got all of them just then.
I know.
You've probably got 10 total now.
How many did I catch?
You won by catching 10 butterflies. You caught 10, but someone else caught
Hide under a block.
in 7 seconds.
No!
So rain arrows in 7 seconds. Now get out of the block!
No,
guys.
I was so close.
Yeah.
No.
Round 13, guys. And you're very well third.
Yep, that's okay.
Hot potato!
Oh no, I hate this one. I don't even know how you become a hot potato. Ah.
You get punched and then you put some noodles. You're right, lad.
I don't like laggy people because they're kind of hackers. They're not hackers, but they look like a hacker.
Yeah.
And it's hard.
Oh my god. But, and that wasn't an actual hacker. I also hate this one. Like a hacker in my video, guys.
No.
Wow. Oh yeah.
Retired poem. Hello.
Oh.
I wish I could just be like a hacker and like
Yeah,
sort of slash go and fly away and just win.
he wants to be a hacker.
Oh, that's annoying.
2 rounds.
I'm gonna try.
No, Paul, this was. Oh, you're going off in the wrong place. Where are you going?
I know.
You got 10 seconds to do this. I'll just try speed reading. Well, I'm about to speed reading. Jump!
Oh
You
yes,
fell off.
just.
You fell off.
No, I didn't.
What's
I
Blows to sleep, yeah. Nice English, Barry. By the way, guys, his name isn't Barry. Is it?
Just don't reveal my true identity. It's Superman.
Okay, guys,
Okay,
now it's going to be
no.
me.
No.
Yes, it is.
What?
Yes, it is. It's my turn now. That's the last round.
Okay.
Guys,
Okay.
Let me
This
just.
is HFRonaldo now. No, don't. Just press play again. Oh, yeah.
I need to
Okay,
change my
this guy's a noob, so he has to change his...
What? No.
Yes, he is. I can do anything, really.
There we go. Guys, this is the best controls. Look. This is how you spell build. Look.
How do you go on crouch for this? Okay.
I press LB, guys, for crouch. And then B is my left. Guys, we'll be right back when this ends. Or maybe we've now skipped it. And we're buried well. It came first. First is brutal flame, guys.
Wow. I've never
Will
done
I do any better?
that. No, he won't.
Yes, I will, guys. Well, you won't get to see me finish, guys, because you don't have enough time for that, I don't think.
So, we may cut certain parts if we need to.
Yeah. Okay, Hey guys, we're now starting the game again. Now I am. So we're going to cut the parts where I die, guys, just because we can't waste any time. So we may have. Okay, number 1.
And sorry if you hear me chewing.
Guys, we've done it. There we go. So. No! You wrote the words coming from a controller.
Came second, how somehow.
Let me get to the side.
That's how you win.
Mate, goodbye.
I was not taking any damage. No, you're gonna kill yourself if you don't reload properly.
Oh my god.
You nearly just killed yourself.
I know that.
Hey.
Guys, so close. And like only 2 seconds left as well.
Okay. Flowers, grab flowers.
5 aluminium. Or what's the one? Aluminum. That's an aluminum. Ah, no. Come here. What? Oh. Yeah, I know. Yeah, there we go. Literally aluminum. Okay, guys. Need second. Okay. Oh, cyber fight. Yeet.
Wait, is that Ezra guy still in
Okay,
here?
guys. There we go.
Is that
We
Ezra
finished
guy?
this. Back in. Okay, guys. So what's next? Let's see. Drop to the ground. Yeet.
No.
Oh, I thought I was jumping into the void, guys. Oopsie.
Oh. What? Oh my god.
That's so unlucky, guys. Oh, guys, we just made that.
Yeah, just.
We're first.
Yes.
Jump in the void.
Keep in touch for soon when I do starting my survival series with HFRonaldo and Flat Pancake. One of them might not play, but I'll definitely be there because it's my video.
Look, the cow. Hi, bucket.
Yeah, just get a bucket.
Okay, guys, we'll be back on. There we go. Finish.
Tell me when you need to cut.
Yeah. What's the next one?
Oh no, I hate this one.
We can't really edit, or we can't really skip this, can we?
No, because it's
So I
all.
can always get his off. One to go. Yeah. And.
Oh nice. Oh, that was. I thought you got hit off there for a second.
Guys,
First.
6 on round.
You're first.
Oh my god. Oh.
Bottom
Yeah,
floor.
guys. So yeah, Yo Barry the Well got.
Oh.
Don't pause it. Don't pause it. Yo Barry the Well got 7 points. How many points will I get? Oh, I'm already on 7.
Yeah, so you're
So
gonna.
I'm probably gonna win. Oh.
But I hadn't played Minerware all day.
Get me the revive.
Yeah, but you play more than me.
No! Oh, no! Oh, guys, I failed that badly.
Really scuff these next 4 rounds.
This is easy. I was bad.
Okay.
Oh, we can't hit each other. There we go.
Imagine if because you fell off you didn't get it. Oh no, I love this. Anvils.
Oh my gosh, no.
Oh, I'm watching the computer. I'm just like, what?
Oh my god. Yes, guys, I won that.
I'm on your side. I don't want you to lose.
What?
But
North Pole.
if you look at the background around where everything is, it's pretty crazy. Wait.
No, nerds. That's why it's called North Pole. Oh my god.
You're not gonna do this. You're not gonna be able to do it.
It's a whale.
Oh no, you're not. 10, 9.
Absolute nerds.
Oh, you
There we go,
lucky.
guys.
You're
That
lucky.
wasn't lucky.
Yes, it was.
You guys, 10 points.
Oh, we have to. I think we have to
Yeah,
end
guys,
the video here.
Thank you for watching. I did better than him.
No, we didn't.
Peace.
Out.
Out.